See the snow outside? You ready to go play? You want to go play? Huh? You look like the kid from Christmas Story.
Let's go see it, baby.
What do you think?
Snow. Go see
Snow, that's right.
Go outside. Be very careful. It might be slippery. Okay, Mommy's gonna go. So you... Is it wet? Or...
It's snow. Snowy. It's snowy.
It's snowing, baby.
What do you think, man? Huh? All right, be careful going down that. Woohoo! Uh-oh, snow angels. Not a fan?
Okay.
Uh-oh. Surprisingly, it's not too cold. But I think we've gotten 2 inches. They're saying we're supposed to get another 2.5 here in the next couple of hours. The roofs are covered.
Good, baby. Be careful. Good.
You ready?
No.
No, you like the snow?
Yeah.
You need 1 more minute?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to go to the front yard?
No.
You sure?
No.
Let's go.
No. No.
Wait, there's snow outside there too, buddy.
No.
Look at the bird. What the heck? Oh, almost slipped. Poor bird.
Mommy.
Do you need some snow goggles or something?
Yeah.
Well, don't stare up at it. You like the snow?
Snowy.
Yeah. You like the snow?
No.
No. Yeah.
Hi. Hello, honey. Where's Mama?
This is the street. Looks like an ice rink. She's out there for a good, like, 30 seconds. That's crazy. All right, it's been a couple hours. You can see we've gotten a lot more snow out here.
Bryson, can you go down the slide? No way. Put me on it. No? Hey, watch this.
Is that what they do in Cocomelon? Yeah? Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Good job, Mom. Oh, no. Do we need to get her back? Let's see. Whoa.
This is deep, actually. This is like really deep. Oh, you're gonna get
First snowball of the decade. Yeah, it's pretty, I'd say probably 3 inches maybe.
Can Mommy get on that? Whoa, look how much snow is in here.
Wow. Little Coy's bucket in the trampoline. Yeah, that's pretty deep. From what I had heard, this is the second highest snowfall on record here. At least we have power, because that freeze a couple years ago sat in the truck for 2 days. You cold, buddy? Yeah? Building a snowman. This is definitely gonna kill the grass. Here you go, buddy.
Well, let's put the lid on it.
Let's put the lid on it. There you go. You want to go outside and drink it in the snow?
No.
No. Some nice hot cocoa there. What do you think, buddy? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Yeah.
After all that snow you've been eating, it's a nice treat, huh? You want to make some more snowballs? Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Changed your wellies. What?
Someone kill me.
Snowman? Yeah, I know. We had a snowman over here, but we keep making snowballs out of it. Yeah. You want to go make a snow angel?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What'd you say, Bryson?
No angel.
Snow angel? Yeah, here. All right, so you got to lie down. You got to lie down in the snow. You want to do that?
Yeah.
You do?
And Dada.
And Dada too?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if I'm dressed for this, but we'll see. Okay.
No.
It's a lot of snow. All right, you gonna lay down?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
No.
Boop.
Really don't.
It's okay, go ahead. All right, now take your arms here. I'll hold your hot cocoa. Put your arms out. Okay. Put your arms out and go like this. With your arms. Here, put them down in the snow. Here, put your arm like this and go woohoo, woohoo. Now do this side and go woohoo, woohoo.
All done.
All right, all done? Here, let me help you. Okay, now look at Bryson's snow angel. You see it?
Oh.
Wow, isn't that cool?
So angel.
That's a snow angel. You want your hot cocoa back?
Yeah.
Yeah, yummy, isn't it? It's nice because it's hot. What do you think? You like snow?
Yeah.
You want to live somewhere where it's like this every day?
Yeah.
You do?
No.
You want to lay down again?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to hold your hot cocoa? All right. I think it's starting to melt a little bit. You can see some of the stuff is already kind of melting. Oh, I can hear a car going by. There you go. Get back to civilization. Literally in Texas, we just seem to literally shut down like the grid when this kind of stuff happens. Luckily, we still have power, so that's cool. And no broken pipes yet that we know of. Our snowman slowly melting. You want to say bye, YouTube?
Bye. Do.
All right, guys and gals. We'll see y'all later. Stay safe, stay warm. We're gonna enjoy the day here. What'd you think about the snow, buddy? You didn't like it too much yet, huh? Oh, okay. Tell me how you really feel.